for 5 seconds, and then it saves that preset. And then you set it for your second one, then you hold 2 for 5 seconds, and then it saves your preset. Then you can swap between 1 and 2.
Okay.
If you want to wipe them clear, you just hold up and down for 5 seconds at the same time.
Okay.
And it comes with these hooks that I haven't put on yet for like headphones or a book stack.
Where do those go? It's on the side.
Go under here. They have holes. They have so many holes.
Okay. All right, so
Hold up to go up, hold down to go down, hold 1 to set 1 for 5 seconds, hold 2 to
all
set
right,
2.
so here's our preset, guys, on this desk. If you're looking at this, he's got it set. So I'm gonna hold 1. I'm just gonna go to the preset height right here. You can see the little mechanism under here, which is moving it up. So if you're looking at this desk, my son's just moving into his new place here. You got this desk for his computer station. All right, and if you hold number 2, this is his other preset. It's gonna go back down to, so that's his standing preset as 1, and 2 is his preset for when he's sitting in his chair right here. So he's just moving in, got this desk. If you're looking at this desk, he's got a couple of hooks there that'll go underneath here. He hadn't set those up yet. Pretty slick. And if you hold it for 5 seconds, he said like a second ago, you can reset your presets on where you want it. So pretty cool. If you're looking at this desk, that's what to expect.